AI is changing the game in 2025, but not in tech labs. Regular people like you and me are now able to make up to $500 or more every single day by leveraging on these AI tools. Some of these tools I'm going to mention are free, some are paid, but in the end, they all have the capacity to make you tons of money if you know how to use it right. So in this video, I'm going to be revealing 5 most powerful AI tools that are helping people create real income from home without writing any single line of code. Make sure to stick around to the end because the fifth tool I'm going to be mentioning here is a total game changer and barely anyone knows about it yet. Whether you're a freelancer, a student, or just looking for extra cash, these tools can help you automate your work, launch your business, or even sell digital products faster than ever. Number one tool is ChatGPT plus custom GPT. Yeah, obviously you've heard about ChatGPT, but I'm not talking about chatting. Okay, you can use ChatGPT to create your own custom GPT and then sell it on Gumroad or directly to small business owners. For instance, you can create a GPT that writes legal contracts or job interview prep guides. This type of AI tools can earn you thousands of dollars every single month in passive income. I myself have used this tool to build a custom GPT that writes social media captions for realtors. I posted it on Facebook group and got 12 sales in the first week. This is something you can also do and make money from it. Number two is Notion AI template. You'll find the link in the description of this video. Now, if you are into organizing, planning, or productivity, this tool is a gold mine. Here's exactly what people are doing with this tool. You can use this tool to create an AI assistant business planner, course creators, or even side hustle dashboard. Then sell these templates on Etsy or Gumroad. I know a lot of creators that are making thousands of dollars every single month by just selling these templates on this platform that I just mentioned right now. Number three, durable AI builder. Now you also find the link in the description of this video. This tool help you build a full website in 30 seconds or less using AI. Now, people are using this tool to build things like portfolio, they launch landing pages, their website to small business owners who needs quick web presence. You simply add your domain name and start selling this website for $200 to $500 per site with zero code needed. Okay, you don't need to learn, you don't need to write any single line of code. AI will do everything for you. Number four is BigMotion. You also find the link in the description of this video. Now, this tool will help you build an automated cash machine on platforms such as YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, etc. All you need is a few settings and then AI will do the rest. You create the video, edit them, and publish it on your channel automatically. You need to lift a finger. Number five is Envedo Element. Now, you also find the link in the description of this video. If you're serious about running a faceless channel on either Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, etc., you need to try it in Envedo Element. With this tool, you can download unlimited stock videos, unlimited stock photos, free royalty music, video templates, sound effect, graphic template, font, presentation template, etc. Basically, you can get anything you want here. This is one tool that people are not talking about, and most of the gurus don't want you to know about it. So quickly check it out and let me know what you think. So let's recap. In this video, we covered ChatGPT, Notion AI, Durable AI, BigMotion, and Envedo Element. So tell me, which of these tools will you try out first? Drop it in the comment section. Now remember, the link to all the tools that I mentioned are in the description of this video. Do well to check it out and let me know what you think. Most of them have free trials, some of them have lifetime deals, so don't miss out. Go ahead and check them out. Like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next video.